Hare Krishna and good morning from Skopje, Macedonia. Yes, I'm still here in Macedonia visiting my parents, helping a little bit around because my dad was not well so much. I came 7 weeks ago and I don't know how long I'll stay. I haven't booked a ticket yet for Switzerland, so let's see what is the plan of Krishna. In today's video, I would like to show you how a day of mine looks like when I'm here. Of course, every day is slightly different. I've been very busy the last few days, that's why I didn't upload a video, but I will try my best to shoot this video. It will be quite spontaneous one. So, chalo, shuru karta hai with the day. Oh, I want to show you the cross. In one video I mentioned that we have a mountain with a big cross. So it is beautiful Friday morning and the whole world is sleeping. Actually, as you can see, just one light is there. And because it is springtime, it gets early daytime. Hydrating in the morning, it's very important. Now I finished my rounds and I gave breakfast to my dad and my mom. I skip breakfast. I usually skip breakfast, and now it's time to give therapy to my dad. He's taking 3.5 tablets in the morning for his heart. So even though the water in Macedonia you can drink, still my parents prefer buying bottled water like we do in India. So this is his tablets. So first I'm going to give some trousers for cutting, for shortening. It's already 11, he's 1 hour too late. Yeah, we're gonna come back later. So this is one difference between Macedonia and Switzerland. In Switzerland, if it's written the shop opens at 10, it opens sharply 10. But such things happen in Macedonia and also in India. Okay, now next destination is to go and get some money from ATM machine. This here in front is a big and famous bakery nearby where people always go and buy their breakfast. There are really different kind of stuff to buy for breakfast. And people sometimes sit here in the benches, eat, and they feed the pigeons and the sparrows. So we are going now to cross the street and get to the ATM machine. AC shops, we will need AC because of the global warming. The need for AC is increasing everywhere. This is what we are looking for, oranges. Tarbuj, 1 kg, 115 dinars. Okay, this is all varieties of milk. Macedonian milk, Bitolsko, Bitola is a city in Macedonia, that's why the milk is called Bitolsko. This milk comes from the cows in the region of Bitola. And these are all milk. And here are some more breads. It's not like in India you make at home roti, aloo paratha. People here buy bread. They don't bother baking bread themselves. And we have here frozen fruits. Maybe once I decide to bake a cake, I can come here and buy some. Okay. Okay, this kind of dahi I love very much, so I'm gonna buy it. It will go very well with the aloo parathas that I will make today. Now it's time to make lunch. I will cook lunch today. For my parents, I decided aloo paratha with dahi and soup. Yesterday I made rice, dal, sabji with chickpea and spinach. And I made some vegetarian patty. And today will be aloo paratha. तो चलो शुरू करता है. Friends, due to lack of spices, these aloo parathas will be jugaad. I have few only that I brought from Switzerland, so that's methi seeds, which don't go really in aloo paratha, I guess. Turmeric, coriander, and asafoetida, so I'll just put it. I'll use that. One of the most eaten vegetable here in Macedonia is bell pepper. It is either green bell pepper or we have also red bell pepper like this. I prefer the red bell pepper. It is a spontaneous decision last minute that besides the aloo paratha I will also cook this. And as I said in the beginning of the video, this video is fully spontaneous. I haven't planned anything. From the moment I woke up, actually I decided like this, okay, let's shoot a video and take my viewers, my friends from India along with me. So I don't even know how this day will end up. Maybe I will receive a phone call from a friend of mine or from my brother inviting me. So let's see, let's go with the flow. Hare Krishna. Look at this puffed aloo paratha. And I am alone at home. My parents went for a walk, so when they come back home, lunch will be ready. Okay, in meantime, my parents came and my father is listening again to Russia-Ukraine war. And of course, my name is not Mila if I don't add some more preparations into lunch. So again, on the spur of the moment, I decided to make the famous shopska salata, Macedonian salad, or I would say maybe like a variation of koshimber salad, because we use cucumber, again, like this I cut cucumber, tomatoes, we'll put some olive oil and salt, and then we will grind white cheese that it's very similar to paneer actually, but it's not quite paneer. And I will show you in a minute how I'm going to do that. It is very good salad to eat in summer. It's very light and very refreshing. This is the shopska salata, end result. Very easy, quick, light summer spring dish. I'm cooking here the red bell pepper, and don't panic, don't worry, this is not oil. I mean, I did put 2 tablespoons of oil, but the paprika itself, the pepperoni itself releases a lot of water. These here are the aloo parathas, and once this prep is done, I will offer to Shri Krishna, to my Ladu Gopalji. Abhi Bhagavan ko Bog Lagao. Okay, this is our plate for me and my mom. My dad is feeling at the moment a little tired. He will eat much later.
Oh, что было?
She just said, oh, что убаво means, oh, it looks so beautiful. Tell me, Kashi? She's saying, wow, it's so good. You know, my mom is totally fascinated by the aloo paratha, especially when she opened and she saw like this, this round, this like hole inside. She was like, wow, how did you make it? Please teach me next time when you make. But really, very delicious. My dear friends, the empty plates are proof how tasty it was. My mom ate everything, and she is so fascinated by the taste of the aloo parathas, so she begged me that I teach her. So tomorrow there will be a cooking class in our house, my Macedonian mom making aloo parathas. Hare Krishna. My dear friends, I was totally right when I said in the morning that today it is a very spontaneous day, that I haven't planned anything, and after lunch I was relaxing here on the bed editing the video on the laptop. My friend called me and asked me, Mila, would you like to have an evening walk, which I very happily agreed to have because my eyes started hurting me, and I'm very happy to have that walk. Come with us then. And for those with sensitive eyes, blue or green eyes, sunglasses is a must. This is mailbox. This door is always locked from outside. Only the residents of the building can enter inside. Oh, I think I saw my nephew. Marco! And I just said I saw my nephew on a bike. Hi! And here he went with the bike. The best nephew in the world I have. Such a sweet, gentle boy. I'm with my friend in the supermarket. We are gonna choose something, some juice to buy, sit on a bench and relax and enjoy. Dear friends, with this evening walk I will end the video here. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. दिखाने के लिए बहुत धन्यवाद. आपसे अगले हफ्ते मिलते हैं एक नया वीडियो के साथ. हरे कृष्ण, शुभ रात्रि.